Hey, what's going on, everybody? Here we are back on the water. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Today is mid-February. I'm gonna put the conditions up, weather and kind of what the surf is doing. Big focus is the wind. It's pretty windy today, so just trying to tuck in on the north side and stay away from the wind as much as we can and try to find some redfish on the flats. It's about 60 degrees now. It's supposed to drop in the 40s tonight, so curious to see how that's going to affect the fish. I know the videos have been kind of slow, just haven't really been on the water in the times that I have. It's just been slow. Last week got out a couple times. I did manage to get out with a friend of mine out at Hogtown, so I'm going to show you all a clip of that. Today we're fishing Hogtown Bayou. Got a longtime friend of mine. Haven't seen him in about
I
haven't seen him in about 10 years, so he's in town. Figured we'd snag up an extra kayak and hit the water. You got him? Hey, let me pull up over there. Yeah. There he goes, man. Let's go check him out. Oh, he popped him off. Let me get some photos, man.
Yeah, man.
There you go.
I just love being on the water, man. I appreciate you bringing me out.
Yeah, no doubt. I was like, dude, I gotta make something happen, man, because I've had other friends come down. I'm like, dude, like either I'm out doing something else, got plans with the family, and it don't work out, and I'm like, dude, I'm gonna make this one work. I have been on the water, it just hasn't produced. It's just for last week. I'm just glad I was able to get out there with a friend of mine. I got out again a couple days after that and managed to find one redfish. Unfortunately, it didn't have the camera rolling, but I'll show you a clip of that just to add it to this video. All right, so in true fashion, y'all just caught this redfish. Didn't have the camera recording, unfortunately, but nice little guy. We've been chasing him all morning, so it was about time we found one. We've been seeing them out here. They're finicky. They don't want to chew, so let me get this guy unhooked and we'll let him go. I did bring him in pretty green, so oh, buddy. I watched him cruise in my direction, and I threw out in front of him, gave it 2 pops, and on the second one I just let it sit and he chased it down and ate it off the bottom. So thanks, buddy. Sorry I didn't get this guy on video. Just kind of one of those mornings. Hopefully today we can get on some fish and kind of get something going. I'm itching to catch a redfish, and hopefully we can make that happen. I'm gonna start off 3-inch paddle tail. Gonna put some flavor on it, see if we can pick up a bite if the fish are here. I got a cow nose ray there, so that might be a good sign. That water, oh, it doesn't feel too cold. Look at this guy right here digging. He's digging. He didn't want it. He didn't want that lure. That dude's sitting there just digging on something. There's another guy right there. See if he wants it. Yes! Yes! He went and got it. Keep this line tight, dude. Oh man, dude, that was sick. That was sick. Dude, I saw him eating there. Man, heck yeah, dude. Came and scooped that right off the bottom. Heck yeah, dude. It's a nice fish too. Man, on, buddy. Solid fish. I think we can bring them up here. I want him to run that way. Come on this way, bud. Come on this way. We're gonna get you. Come on, come on. Come on. It's strong. Pulling us back. Come on, buddy. Come on this way. We got him right here. Got him right here. Solid fish. Heck yes, dude. Let's get this guy. Oh, he's heavy. That is a nice fish, y'all. Oh man. Hang in here, buddy. Hang in here. All right. There we go. 3-inch paddle tail. All right. This guy revived a little bit. I do want to measure him and then we'll let him go. All right, let's get a visual of this guy. We'll measure him, we'll let him go. So I'll check this guy out. Man, what a beauty. Y'all check this fish out, man. Wow, what a beauty. Let's see here. He is over 32. He's 32 and a half. Hopefully y'all can see that, but he's 32 and a half. Man, what a beautiful fish. Y'all check this guy out one more time. Let's let him go. Wow, dude. Beautiful. Thanks, buddy. Oh, he's ready. There he goes. Heck yeah, man. Yes! Got one. That was awesome. Yeah, so basically caught him sniffing the bottom there, and I threw past him and gave this lure a couple bounces off the bottom, and then I just let it sit there. Felt the little thump or tap. It wasn't a serious thump, but he ate it. So we're running a 3-inch Zman paddle tail in the Gold Slam Shady color. Got a 1/8 ounce jig head Texas eye, and this is 14-pound fluorocarbon as leader. I'm going to go ahead and retie this. I might even make my leader a little bit longer, but that's the setup. Mainline, 10-pound braid, PowerPro, and then our St. Croix Victory rod with a BG MQ 2500. There's a guy right there. There's a guy cruising. Here he comes. Oh, he turned around. He saw something else. I don't think it's the same guy. Let me see if I can get him. Look at him, he's right here. He won't nothing with that. Going over a fish right here. There he is. See, these fish are in here, man. It's just a matter of getting them to chew. Hopefully I don't spook him. Let's see here, let me throw past him back there. There he is, he's sitting right there. Look at him, he's sitting right there. Let me just throw right in on top of him. He doesn't want it. Look at him. That scared him. Perfect. Oh, there's a guy right there. Let's see if we can get him. Don't scare him, don't scare him. It's a sheep's head. Alright, so I'm gonna see if I can find some trout in this spot here. Sure I can do it with the paddle tail, but I think they eat a twitch bait a little bit better when it comes to this time of the year. If not, we'll go back to the paddle tail, back on the flats. There he is. There he is. Man, I was getting ready to just reel that lure in. He came up and he grabbed it. I think I need to work on my drag system. He popped off. Are you kidding me? Come on, man. Try to finesse that guy. All right, y'all, quick GoPro battery swap. Hopefully we didn't burn this spot. We're gonna keep throwing this twitch bait. I think we're gonna circle back around and then try to get it. But man, that trout came after it pretty close to the kayak there. So we're gonna circle back. Throw one out that way. Never know, there might be a little bit deeper water. There he is. Oh, come on. Hit the reverse. Let me see here. There he is. That's a good one too. He's way out there. That's a good trout. Don't pop off now, man. My drag's just not. Oh, oh, oh. Did you see that redfish try to eat him? That big old redfish try to eat him. Look at this guy, man. So trout is out of season. So we're gonna, this guy popped off, but man, that was crazy. I'm trying to find my pliers. Dude. Just trying to imagine what that would be like if that redfish would have ate him. I don't think he was going for that lure, but that was a big old, All right, let's get this guy out and let him go. He might have been nibbled on. Thanks, buddy. All right, y'all, that's gonna wrap it up for today. Making my way back to the launch now. Turned out to be a solid day with that bull red. I watched him eat that lure, so that was pretty awesome. I'm pretty happy with today and being able to get a couple fish in the kayak, so turned out to be good. Appreciate y'all tuning in and watching. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, check out my other videos and consider subscribing. I'll catch y'all next time.